Stop. Hello, I'm Triska Tingles.
I'm crispy.
I'm gonna be doing some. What's your trigger?
Sorry, I got carried away.
Glass tapping. Would you like to show us a trigger you came up with?
Yes. This is such a trigger. Are you ready? Hold the cup, please.
They're doing some tapping.
Let me help you. Are you feeling the tingles yet?
I have a good tingle. I need someone to please record me.
Ew, that is very nasty if you do that.
Okay, what's your trigger?
This trigger is very quiet.
Knock that out! Wait, shh. We're gonna do some.
You're being too loud.
We're gonna do some door tapping.
You're gonna lose the tingles. Door tapping. Door tapping. You ready? Hey,
Shh. Whispers, Weston.
You ready for this trigger?
Yes.
Alright, now you're just being a little extra, you're gonna break something. First you wanna spend $90 on room service, you wanna
So, for this next trigger, we're gonna be doing some city whispering.
Hey! Hey, what's good? Hello!
We hope you enjoyed.
My next trigger is dropping stuff.
Bro. For my next trigger, I'm gonna be doing some tapping and lotion throwing. I just tingled so hard.
Doesn't it just tingle your senses?
Now we're gonna be doing some cleaning up sounds. That's a tingle.
Singing Zach likey.
Why is there toilet paper and juice in the bathtub?
Who did that?
It's tingling my senses.
No, I have an idea.
What?
Take some ketchup and just like everybody dip their finger in it and just smear it on somebody's face.
Ew, no.
That's disgusting,
No,
Kalynn.
Nathan.
You know what? At least I come up with things.
Mark, you're being stupid. Literally, don't litter. Don't litter. Stop. Don't litter. Stop.
Hey guys, so I forgot to film an outro with everybody. Currently, I'm on my tour bus. I'm recording this. So, hello, what's up? If you enjoy... Yeah, thumbs up if you enjoy. Is this your outro? Yeah, I forgot to record an outro.
Give it a thumbs up. We just went to the bean.
The bean. The big old bean, the big metal thingy. Okay, bye! Yeah.